back to my channel. Today I'm doing an unboxing of some glitter I received from Tom Thumb Glitters. I will be making a cup with one or more of these glitters, and I will announce what I'm going to do with that cup at the end. I'm going to link her shop in the description. There is, I believe it's 10% off with that link. So head over there and get some glitters. Let's check these out. Let's see if I can flip it open before I attempt scissors. Okay. Okay, so there is a letter. Greetings, LexiSue. I have been making custom tumblers approaching 5 years now. The best part of the art of tumbling is most definitely the glitter. I have to agree, it is most definitely. It's so fun. The possibilities are endless. As a result of my success with tumblers, I decided to open an online store specializing in glitter. Tom Thumb Glitters is the name I arrived at. It is a woman-owned business. Currently, they have 31 glitter choices in inventory, including custom blends. With the initial success we've experienced so far, there are plans to add more blends. Our glitters are pet and eco-friendly, sourced from an extremely reputable source. In addition, they are polyester based, which is high quality. Polyester is what you want when you are making tumblers. So that is perfect. Solvent and temperature resistant. All right, so I will put the link to her Etsy page in the description below, along with the promo code, which is LexiSue, all capital 10. You will get 10% off your glitter purchase from Blue Thumb, or Tom Thumb Glitters. I don't know why I said blue, probably because this is blue. Thank you for the glitter. So now we're going to check these out. Okay, so we have this blue snow glitter. Looks like it's like a blue and a white mix, which is really, oh my goodness, that's so pretty. It's definitely perfect for like a winter cup. We have what's called Melanie, which is like a rose and a gold mixture. Oh, that's really pretty. And these are bigger dots. These are, this is more of a fine and medium chunky mix. And this is more of a, these are bigger chunky mix, like a jumbo dots, or not, maybe not jumbo dots, but they're bigger. Moon Dust. This looks like a super fine. A super fine. It's really pretty. Yeah. Next we have Ruby, which is a, is it a mixture? Yeah, it looks like it's mixed. It's like a chunky mix. Looks like it's got fine and chunky in there. Ruby, a really pretty red. This is really pretty. Can you see that? Oh, this is gorgeous. Aquamarine. That's actually my birthstone, so that's awesome. And this is another chunky, and oh my goodness, it is so pretty. Guys, this is so pretty. It's got like blue greenish, like a turquoisey color. Kind of is a holographic from like blue to like the greenish, like the turquoise. That's so pretty. Can you see that? I'm getting glitter all over. I just cleaned my desk. Rhonda, this is like a really pretty, like a magenta. It's another chunky. Oh, that's so pretty. You see that? That's called Rhonda. And then we have Champagne. Oh, I love my pinks. If you know me, I probably make so many pink cups. It is just my favorite color, so that's really pretty. It's another chunky. And then we have Galaxy, which is a purpley blue, purple and blue mixture. That one's so pretty too. Oh, I love it. I might have to use this on a cup. This is really pretty. It's another chunky. Trying to move around the bag, like literally clung to it. It's a, almost a, let's see if I can open it. Oh, there we go. Oh, can you see that, guys? It's so pretty. Let's see if I can use my little light over here. There. Oh my goodness, you see that? I might have to do that with all these. Oh, so pretty. That is gorgeous. You really gotta check her out, her shop out. She has such gorgeous glitters. Okay, and this last one is called Sugarland. And it's a fine white, and it looks like it's just like a, what is it? Pure white, like a pure white. And oh my goodness, oh, that is so pretty. I love whites. Oh, look at that shine. It almost looks like snow. You know how snow, when it freshly falls, that's what it reminds me of. So pretty. Let's see, can you guys see it? So pretty. Thank you so much, Tom Thumbs. She does have an Etsy shop, so that's where her shop is. I will, like I said, I will link it below in the description for you guys with the $10 or 10% off discount code. Remember, the discount code is LexiSue, all capital, LEXISUE, LexiSue 10. Let me show you guys these all like under the light. I don't know if we did this one, but I don't know if we did it. Look at that, that's so pretty. They just shimmer so pretty under the light. Was it this pink one we already did? Oh, I don't know. We're just gonna go through them again with the light over them. There's so much glitter. Oh, look at that. Oh my goodness. It's like, they shine like diamonds. Glitter is a girl's best friend. Tell me I'm wrong. I'm excited to see what this one looks like under the light. Oh man, that is a lot of pretties. Okay. Let's fold this kind of down. See if we can fold that down a little. There we go. Oh, look how pretty. So you can find all of these beautiful glitters plus more at her shop. So be sure to check her out. And remember, shop small. I don't know what bag that went. Is this one ruby? Yes. I'll fold this down a little. There we go. So gorgeous. It's like a glass ruby slipper, like from Wizard of Oz. Ruby's slipper, ruby red. Ruby slipper, Dorothy slipper. I don't know why I said ruby, probably because it's a ruby color. Trying not to make a big mess over here. Oh. So I'm trying to decide what design I want to do. I think I want to do another peekaboo with like a rubbed off. So I don't think I've done that. I showed you guys how to be able to like rub off the spray paint, the paint that goes over your glitter. So I want to do that for you guys. Make something really pretty. If you know me, I like trying to I like doing complicated. I love complicated. I was thinking that or doing the Dawn dish soap cups. Oh, look at that. You guys see that? And that one is like really fine. Nice fine glitter. Alright, and this is the last one. I think I might last inside look. And this is the blue snow. I have glitter all over my hands now. Okay. Sorry, the camera cut out, but here's the blue. So I'm going to make a tutorial with one of these glitters or more of them. I haven't decided yet. And I'm going to use that cup for a giveaway. This is not the official video for that. I will make another video when it is time to do the giveaway. So after the cup is made, I will announce the official rules and how you can win the tumbler. So thank you guys. This is for getting me to 1K likes. Thank you so much. I really appreciate it. I appreciate you guys. And I just hope to keep making more videos for you. That's so pretty. All right, guys, bye.